Hello world, I'm Saint Dev Guy. This is a review of my first month of streaming and making a game. I started out with nothing but an idea, and then I asked the project manager. Yes! The project manager, I started out by recording what game that the streamer wanted to make, and talking about a little bit about a demo game, but really concentrating on a prototype, a mini game, something we can finish in a relative period of time that will teach us a lot. And all kinds of things need to be decided, and not too much has been really firmed yet. So then, after I did that, I went out to a board. I put down a task for the full game, a task for the demo game, and I started to expand the minigame tasks to list kind of the things we needed to do before we could call the minigame done, or at least sort of done, and see what kind of decisions we can make. And then, for the first task, I actually asked the art guy to make us some 3D shapes that we could put into the minigame, kind of set the scene. Yeah, and so I went into Blender and I started to make some shapes. I started to make a house, a sidewalk, trees, a bear, guitar, and a bench. And as I did this, I started to realize that I didn't have my scale right. So I've fixed some of the stuff, but I haven't fixed everything yet. And then I asked the programmer to actually put into some game engines so we could test those game engines and see if we did the Blender part right. Oh yes, so I took the artist stuff and I brought up Godot. I put in Godot. And I also brought up Unity. I put in Unity, and it's a very different looking Unity. But that's partly because each of these engines are a little different, and they have a little bit different kind of lighting and way they work, and so one Blender file in all three is going to be a little different. And then I even put it into Unreal. And I messed a little bit with all three of these, but to be completely honest, there's a lot of work to do in the game engines yet. I just wanted to get it started. I wanted to get something there. So I expect to come back and take the Blender scene and import it multiple times, and really, when we start having things move, I think that I will do more work. And so that's where we are. We have objects. We have it in 3 games. We have some kind of lighting, although it's not perfect, but we haven't really gotten into having things move yet. So this month, I hope to have moving things in the game and it actually become more of a game and less of a picture. So stop by the stream and say hi, or find out what I'm doing, or subscribe and watch the updates here on YouTube. Have a good day. Stay sane.